everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you a lot for your support in the previous videos, for your comments, for your encouragement. It means a lot and it motivates me to keep making these videos. So thank you so much for that. And I'm Vidya here from Bags Lounge. So the topic for today is a unique concept called DIY bag. It's a one of its kind in India. I think this is the first brand that has brought the DIY bag, the do-it-yourself bag kit to India. So I'm doing this video in collaboration with Atelier DIY Kits, which is founded by Smriti and Shikha. Smriti is an acclaimed accessory designer. In fact, she has won at an international design contest called Designer Bag a couple of years ago. The brand is based out of Mumbai and Hyderabad. So this is the kit that has been sent across to me. So let's just see how the kit comes. So a sweet note from the founders. Thank you so much, Shikha and Smriti, for that. There is a charm as well, a bag charm that they have sent across, and the DIY bag material and a set of instructions. So this is a simple, very simple kit. In fact, it's just one piece material along with the strap of the bag, and all through the bag there are these slits, if you can see, and these slits help us to assemble the bag. And the instructions are quite detailed, as you can see here. They are quite detailed, and let's assemble the bag first and then come back to a quick review of it. Hi, so I'm back after assembling the bag. So this is what it looks like, and it took me around 10 to 15 minutes to assemble it. Not too difficult once you just get the hang of it. And initially I forgot to mention that there is also a video made by the brand itself on how to assemble this bag. I will link it in the description. So pretty easy. There are not multiple parts like I had mentioned earlier, so pretty easy to assemble it. So I did make a couple of mistakes while assembly, and I think this one is folding to the front and this is folding to the back. So you can be cognizant of these when you assemble the bag. Now coming to the review, so this is vegan leather. It is not real leather. The material is quite smooth to the touch, and the sling is soft, the strap is soft, and it is flat like this. It's not rolled, so it will be quite convenient to carry on the shoulder. The assembly is easy, and the finish is also quite good. So there is no, it doesn't look like it is an assembled bag or something. So quite sleek and minimalist bag. So this comes under the minimalist category. No loud embossing or loud logos anywhere. But a few of the points that I would definitely like to mention here. So there are no pockets inside. Because it is a complete, it was a plain material, no pockets inside or outside anywhere, no pouches. So I think if you invest in a good bag organizer, which comes with multiple slots of its own, you can work around that. The other point is about this front closure over here. I would definitely put in a recommendation to the brand as well to at least have snap closure over here, because this flap getting in and out of these slits while closing and opening each time is not very convenient. It's not a very handy thing to do. So a simple button here could solve that. The rest of it, I think it is absolutely a cool bag, and the joy of assembling the bag by yourself it feels something. It's like an achievement that you have made the bag yourself. So yeah, it's quite it's pretty soft, and if you're carrying it anywhere, you can just put it in inside a bag, a bigger bag, or in your suitcase, and it hardly would occupy any space. There is no metal hardware, as you can see, so that saves up on a lot of weight, as well as the maintenance and upkeep of keeping the metal fittings wrapped in acid-free tissue paper so that there are no scratches and such sort of a thing. And the material of this bag, it's not plain solid color, so it has a texture to it. So because of that, you do not run the risk of transferring color from your garments, from your jeans, denim clothes onto the bag. So that is also another plus point. So yeah, that is my quick review of the bag. Yeah, so just wanted to show how the bag looks when I put it on. As a shoulder bag, it's quite at the right place for me, and as a sling bag also, it comes at the right place on the waist for me. But in case you are taller or shorter and you want to adjust the length of the strap, that option is not there because the adjusting buckle is not there, so that is something that you may want to consider. Coming to what it can accommodate, so it can accommodate your everyday small wallet, your phone, and your basic makeup stuff, and some stationery, some pen, or some very basic stationery, but nothing more than that. This is the smaller version of the bag. You may want to consider other sizes that are available with Atelier. So yeah, hope you like it. Hope it has been helpful to you. If you have any additional questions on the bag, please do let me know. I'll try to clarify them. But on the whole, it's a very sweet little bag. Yeah, the perfect everyday size. Hope that was helpful. Thank you, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.